Ayun na, maalo na!
Kapit! Napapabukasan ng life jacket.
At hindi mag-aalam yan, mabiyaan mo tingnan yung oras.
Kasi Robert, nag-testing.
Pag narinig ko na yung beep, 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 saan na tayo?
Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin tumalon sa bangka.
Oo.
Sarap na ito.
Kaka-umaro, pero nakikita.
Lukuhan ko lang.
Ay, sayaw ka naman.
Ayan, sayo na. Ayun, mahulog kayo dyan.
Nalibig sa ako kayo. Sige na.
Parang party ba sa?
Ayo.
I ain't from Dallas, but I need town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody trying to do it. I leave the phone
Tsaka nawala yung pagkaputo.
Ay, nawawala yung
just for you, and I'ma do it.
Eh na.
Niggas better hate.
Tapos yung, makikita din natin yung fire department. Kami yung police station. Yung police station dito.
Shine bright when it started booming. It's big as bubble gum. So I had to chew it.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me
Meron
how
pa din
to
yung
do it.
yung
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me.
Ayun, may tali. Wala! Oh, shit! Natumba ko dito. Bagsak ako dito. Sigurado, ang gagawin nito mga...
Tama, makakul ba niya?
Ayan pa naman yung buta na.
Sigurado ang gagawin to, kukuha na akong video. Ah!
Wala na yung pag.
Maaraw na po eh.
Hindi, wag mong gatanggalin yan. Mahulog kayo dyan.
You ain't fucking with my girl.
Walang hangin. Nakasama mong gusto mo.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my girl.
Hey, at the other party, I don't really like to